from West Tennessee's News Channel. This is ABC 7 Eyewitness News. Good morning, West Tennessee, Saturday.
Good morning, West Tennessee. It's Saturday, November 6th. I'm David Iverson. In the news this hour, an early morning robbery in Jackson has police looking for a suspect. And as the weather gets colder, it's a good time to be reminded of how to stay safe. But first, with a look at this morning's frigid forecast, we're going to take a look with forecaster Ryan Hoke in the Viper 7 Weather Center. Morning, Ryan.
Hey, good morning, David. Pretty chilly weather on tap for this morning. Current temperatures are pretty chilly as well. Let's check out fast track radar, see what's going on across the region this morning precipitation wise. And you'll see, well, it's pretty dry out there. There's no rain to speak of, no clouds at all. And in fact, our current conditions, we're seeing 25 degrees right now. And those 25 degrees there with a dew point at 22, humidity at 88%. And winds are calm. By the way, this first look at weather is brought to you by Dr. Corbin and the Heart and Vascular Center of West Tennessee. Your pinpoint forecast will take you throughout the day. 24 degrees by 7 a.m. this morning, so I think we'll drop just another degree there. 46 by 12 p.m. By 3 p.m., 51 degrees. Then by 6 p.m., we'll get down to 45 degrees. So yet another chilly day on tap here in Jackson with sunny skies all around. As we go throughout tonight, we'll see another chilly night on tap. 26 degrees below freezing. Will be under a freeze warning tonight. And then for tomorrow, 61 degrees with sunshiny skies. We'll see just a little bit of an increase there in temperatures, so it looks pretty good. David?
Thanks, Ryan. We'll check in with you in a few minutes. Ryan's joining us now. And Ryan, waking up this morning, probably people are feeling that really cold weather they haven't felt this year yet.
Yeah, if you went out to get that morning paper or something like that, hope you had enough clothes on because it was really chilly out there this morning. Let's check out fast track radar to see if we have any rain going on across the area. And that's certainly not the case as we've had dry conditions over the last few days. And we're going to continue that with high pressure in place here. I don't think we're going to see any clouds as well as we go throughout the next 24 to 48 hours. Current conditions, though, very chilly across Jackson. 24 degrees right now. Extremely cold this morning. Unseasonably cold, in fact. We've got that dew point there at 21 degrees as well. As we get in here to West Tennessee, we're seeing mid-20s, 22 in Paris. We're getting up to 26 in Henderson, 26 in Alamo as well. So it's chilly across the region, and that has prompted the National Weather Service to issue a freeze warning, and that's in effect until 9 a.m. this morning for the entirety of West Tennessee and well into Central Tennessee and parts of Mississippi as well. And there's another one that's going to go into effect tonight at 11 p.m. and that will go until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So it's going to be cold out there. Remember to keep those pipes insulated and make sure those pets are inside. That's a good idea when you have freezing conditions like this. All right, no insulation around the region right now. That means we have no clouds around the region to keep that heat from going into space. So we're seeing those chilly temperatures this morning because of that. And we have no rain across the region as well. A couple little snow showers tried to pop up here near Chattanooga this morning, but I don't really think they made it to the ground as we don't have enough moisture in the atmosphere to really support that. Across the eastern half of the United States, we have a few little showers, few little snow showers, eastern Kentucky, western Virginia, into eastern Tennessee as well. And that's because we have some southerly flow coming out of the east here, out of the Gulf of Mexico, powering just a little bit of moisture in there, maybe to squeeze off some of those showers. But around here, we have northerly flow aloft, keeping things dry, keeping things chilly as well. We also have high pressure at the surface, and that's keeping things dry around here, at least at the bottom few thousand feet of the atmosphere. And we're going to see that continue for the next couple of days. This area of high pressure right here is really not going to move much. It'll go from Little Rock possibly to Tupelo, but it'll keep things dry around here. Now, one good thing is, as this high pressure area moves off to the east, we'll start to see southwesterly winds in here. That'll make things just a little bit warmer as we go throughout your Monday, your Tuesday, and your Wednesday as well. Get things into the 70s, maybe those overnight lows maybe into the 40s and 50s. So some good news there as we go throughout the work week. Now let's transfer over to the tropics now. At the top of the newscast, we talked about Hurricane Tomas. It's now Tropical Storm Tomas. It just went over the Turks and Caicos Islands after going through Haiti last night, and it really caused some problems down there with the rainfall and winds. But the good news is that's headed out to sea, and I don't think we'll see any problems with that. If you're heading out to Arts in the Park this afternoon at Union University, expect sunny conditions and temperatures from 40 to 49. Take a jacket out there at Union University this afternoon. A reminder, tonight, turn back those clocks 1 hour because daylight savings time ends tomorrow morning at 2 a.m. So make sure you turn those clocks back 1 hour before you go to bed tonight. Okay. Forecast highs around the area, 50s today around the area, and here in the Hub City we'll get down up to 52 degrees with sunny skies, chilly conditions, and a northwest wind at around 5 miles per hour. Your 7-day forecast looks pretty chilly as well as we get into Sunday there with a high around 61 degrees. By the way, this 7-day forecast is brought to you by Dr. Corbin and the Heart and Vascular Center of West Tennessee. We'll see those 70s get in here by Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and by Veterans Day I think we could see just a few clouds in here before we start to see at least the appearance of a cold front by Friday. Could have some thunderstorms in here as well. Some of those could be quite strong, so stay with ABC 7 for the latest updates on that. Just how cold will it get over the next couple of days? I'll have the answer coming up in just a couple of minutes.
Now, Storm Team weather with Ryan Hoke.
Good morning. It's a chilly one out there right now. Temperatures are well below freezing across West Tennessee. Let's check out Fast Track Radar, see what's going on precipitation-wise around the region. Well, we're not seeing any rain right now, and I don't think we're going to see any rain throughout the next couple of days. Current conditions, though, 24 degrees. Extremely chilly this morning around there. 21 degrees is our dew point, and winds are calm. So at least we don't have a wind chill to worry about, and those skies are pretty clear out there as we speak. Current temperatures across the region, we're holding in the mid-20s right now across West Tennessee with 26 in Trenton, 22 degrees in Martin right now. Burr, lower 20s up there, and then we're getting into the upper 20s as you get near Corinth, Mississippi right now. But across the region, in terms of weather advisories, we're seeing a freeze warning right now in effect for West Tennessee, and that will extend until 9 a.m. this morning. That's because temperatures are, as you know, are well below freezing. We're going to have another one of those in place tonight from 11 p.m. until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So if you have any plants outside, I hope you don't, make sure you take those inside and be sure those pets are inside as well. It's going to be another chilly night tonight. Infrared satellite view showing us no cloud cover across the region. That's allowed temperatures to really fall out overnight because we haven't had any atmospheric insulation with the lack of cloud cover there. And as we go throughout the next couple of days as well, I don't think we're going to see much in the way of cloud cover. And the Doppler radar view not showing any rain. We've had a few little pop-up showers, maybe a little snow flurry or two as you get near Chattanooga, but that might not even be reaching the ground at this point. The whole entire eastern portion of the United States pretty dry, except for some showers out here in eastern Tennessee. And as you get into the North Carolina area as well, as they have some southerly flow from the Gulf trying to fire off some showers up there. But around here we have northerly flow from the north out here, dry weather, dry conditions, and of course no clouds or precipitation to worry about with that northerly flow as well. And then we have high pressure at the surface as well, and that's not going to really move anywhere over the next couple of days. We're going to see that shift slowly over from the Little Rock area and maybe into Tupelo, and that means we're going to see those winds shift a little bit. And we're going to see them shift out of the southwest. That means temperatures are going to go up a little bit. We might get into the 70s this week, which is definitely some good news if you have some outdoor activities planned. So that southwesterly flow is definitely welcome after all the cold weather we've had over the last day or two. Now, your tropical update, let's check it out. Right now we have Tropical Storm Tomas, and Tomas is just to the northeast there of Haiti, and it was a hurricane yesterday and brought some devastating rainfall to the area there, but luckily it's headed out to sea, and I don't think we'll see any more effects from that in the islands of the Caribbean. Okay, if you're heading out to Arts in the Park this morning at Union University, we're going to see sunshiny skies and temperatures from 40 to 49 degrees. Remember, tonight, turn your clocks back an hour because daylight savings time ends tomorrow morning at 2 a.m. All right, tonight, today, your highs around Jackson in the mid-50s. We're going to see temperatures around 52 here in Jackson with chilly and sunny skies across the area. Your 7-day forecast brought to you by Dr. Corbin and the Heart and Vascular Center of West Tennessee shows us that we're going to keep that sunshine in here until at least Veterans Day, when we could see possibly a cold front coming through here on Friday with the possibility of some thunderstorms. David?
Thanks, Ryan. Well, Ryan, how about one more look at the 7-day?
Yeah, pretty chilly coming up here. Let's take a look at that 7-day. We're going to see a low tonight of around 26 degrees as we head into Sunday. Remember to turn those clocks back an hour before you go to sleep tonight because daylight savings time ends tomorrow morning at around 2 a.m. We'll see sunshine continue Monday through Wednesday and well into Thursday as well, Veterans Day, before we see the appearance of a cold front by Friday. Could bring us some thunderstorms in here. Not sure if those are going to be strong or severe at this point. So keep up with ABC 7 News for the latest on that.
All right. Extra hour of sleep.
Definitely.
Thank you, Ryan, and thank you for joining us. Our next broadcast on the air, 6 o'clock. Have a great day.